Hi everybody, so welcome back to my channel. It's our girl here, Nicole, and today we're going to be making slime. So the first thing you're going to be needing is a bowl, this type of activator, this glue, and a spoon. So the first thing, you're going to get your bowl, you're going to open your glue, but open the top first. Oh, it's already open. You're going to open it, and then you're going to put the amount you want. For now, I'm just going to put like this much. I'm going to add like a little bit more. That was too much, so I'm just...
Did you like the sandals?
Yeah.
The biker shirt?
I didn't see no biker shirts. Okay, and now you're gonna mix. You're gonna mix it up. And now,
Go get your water bottle.
and now,
Porque tú lo pones acostado. Si se llega a abrir, se moja todo eso.
okay, so and now you're gonna put your activator in here, and then you're gonna, that's too much, and then you're gonna put it in here, and then you're gonna mix. You're gonna add I'm gonna add a little bit more glue. Just a little bit glue. And then you're gonna mix. And you can also put the amount of slime that you want as well. I'm gonna add a little bit more different.
Go ahead, Lola. Mira. Go ahead, Cookie.
It smells a little bad.
Go ahead. Look, Cookie. Go ahead, Lola.
Oh my god, I need a mask for this. This is so nasty.
Cookie.
I need more. I need a lot of Oh yeah, this is definitely good amount of activator. So now it's getting like very thick. So it's actually starting to become a little slime. I'm just gonna put a little bit more because I need it. I'm gonna try like. Oh yeah, it's getting good. I just do it with my hands. Start mixing. Okay, we're gonna keep on mixing until it gets very neat. Let's add a little inch. There you go. And then we're gonna mix it. Oh my god, look at that. So sticky. It's like cotton candy. So this is the amount of the slime. Okay, let's more activator. I'm gonna keep on mixing. I'm gonna keep on mixing. I'm gonna keep on mixing. Mixy. It's very sticky actually. Should we add a little bit more?